Soichiro Honda started out as a young boy helping his dad at his bicycle repair shop. This gave him the opportunity to lay his hands on a good number of tools, machines and motor parts. When he grew up, he started his own small shop where he was able to do designs of pistons he intended to sell to Toyota, Japan's best car manufacturer. He worked so hard on it. At some point, he even had to sell his wife's jewelries to get small extra funds for the business. Unfortunately for him, Toyota still ended up not thinking the product was good enough. Things even got worse as the World War II came. All of Japan's resources went into the war. There was no money to produce new cars. Neither was there enough money for those with new type of pistons. Unfortunately, his factory got bombed twice, and he still went ahead to rebuild it, and it was yet again destroyed by an earthquake. Soichiro Honda never gave up because he understood that success represents 1% of your work, which results from 99% of failure. The fact that you hear me talk about this is the proof that he became a success despite all these many failures. Sometimes in life, you can encounter failures and it will look like the devil has come to party with you. But the real truth is that it's okay to fail, because I tell you, you are supposed to fail. If I tell you that you're supposed to succeed 100% of the times you try things out, then I'll be lying to you, because I'm aware that success represents 1% of your work, which results from 99% of failure. See, young people, failure can take away all that a man or a woman has, but there is one thing that it can never take away: the experience that he or she had during the building process. The knowledge and the skill set the person acquired on their way up can never be taken away. And that knowledge, that skill set, that experience becomes the tool they leverage to bounce back more intelligently from failure. It is only in most African countries that every failure is regarded as a spiritual attack because of religion. And so instead of learning from the failure and starting over more intelligently, most people would rather throw in the towel in conclusion that they were not destined to succeed. But hey, that's not true. It's a lie from the pit of hell. Don't ever allow your mind to tell you that because the situation you face is a learning phase of your life. Failure is indeed a wonderful teacher, because success represents 1% of your work, which results from 99% of your failure. The best way to turn failures to success is to never stop trying. And when I say never stop trying, I am not saying you should keep hitting your head on the same stumbling block that caused your failure until something magically happens. You know that's not going to happen. If in case you're watching this video and you have failed over and over again and you think something is wrong with you, my dear, nothing is wrong with you. It's okay to fail, but what's not okay is refusing to learn from your failure. Always remember that success represents 1% of your work, which results from 99% of failure. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share our videos to your friends and family. Thank you, and one love.